You said anticipation, and probably I will use the word expectation too. I expect that despite the challenges that we are having right now in the Toastmasters International with increasing dues, and they just gave an email. I don't know if you received that email to all
Yes.
members. I think there's a lot of people disabilitated, but for me, if you're really passionate into something, I think this is still a good value, even if we increase our dues. I know the currency expenses, this will affect membership, but my expectation, and I'm not anticipating that the members in our club, particularly the new ventures, will go down because of that. My expectation is we will take this by heart and we will continue because of our passion to learn, improve our communication, improve our leadership skill, improve our evaluation skill, and most important is improve our English speaking skills. We will continue to be a member of this club, and that's my very realistic expectation actually. I anticipate that by September, we will renew. In comes March, we will renew because we have one goal in this new venture club. Keep it stronger, keep it going, and the most important is if we can make it to distinguish at the end of the program year 2026 2027. So as one of your club coach, together with Clara, we'll try our best to be here. We will be the silent leader, observing, giving feedback, and giving inspiration and motivation and mentoring members to keep going. So despite any challenges, increasing dues, busy at life, let's continue what we're doing because that's what the path that new venture will go to become a stronger and distinguished club at the end of the year. Thank you.